1. Alienware Aurora R12 Functionality. The Alienware Aurora R12 is a powerhouse designed for high-performance gaming. With its customizable RGB lighting and sleek exterior, it not only delivers top-notch gaming experiences but also adds flair to your setup. RAM. Configurable up to 128GB DDR4 RAM. Graphics card. Options include NVIDIA, GeForce, RTX 30 series GPUs. Detailed features. Features Intel Core processors, liquid cooling options, tool-less upgradability, and Alienware Command Center for easy customization and monitoring. 2. MSI Trident X Functionality. The MSI Trident X packs immense power into a compact form factor, making it perfect for gamers with limited space without compromising on performance. RAM. Supports up to 64GB DDR4 RAM. Graphics card equipped with NVIDIA, GeForce, RTX. Graphics cards for stunning visuals. Detailed features. Features Intel Core processors, customizable RGB lighting, MSI Dragon Center for system optimization, and ample connectivity options. 3. Corsair One i160 Functionality. The Corsair One i160 combines raw power with a sleek and compact design, making it an ideal choice for gamers and content creators alike. RAM. Configurable up to 32GB DDR4 RAM. Graphics card. Comes with NVIDIA, GeForce, RTX graphics for immersive gaming experiences. Detailed features. Features Intel Core, i9 processors, liquid cooling, Corsair iQ software for RGB lighting customization, and a small footprint for space-conscious users. 4. HP Omen 30L Functionality. The HP Omen 30L delivers top-tier gaming performance with customizable configurations to suit every gamer's needs. RAM. Supports up to 64GB DDR4 RAM. Graphics card. Options include NVIDIA, GeForce, RTX, 30 series GPUs for exceptional graphics performance. Detailed features. Features powerful Intel or AMD processors, tool-less upgradability, customizable RGB lighting, and Omen Command Center for system optimization. Thanks for tuning in to Unbox Therapy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, game on!